Israeli occupation forces have forced several residents of the Jabal al-Salihin area in the Nur Shams refugee camp east of Tulkarm to leave their homes. A young man was arrested after being assaulted near Al-Manshiyah in the camp, with his whereabouts currently unknown. Several other young men were also detained, forced to sit under threat of weapons and mistreatment. Nur Shams camp has endured ongoing Israeli aggression and siege for the past 57 days, causing significant damage to infrastructure and property. Palestinians in the Israeli-occupied West Bank are observing a general strike to protest the ongoing war in Gaza. Shops were closed and streets in Ramallah, where the Palestinian Authority is based, were nearly empty. Government offices, civil institutions, schools and public transportation were also shut down as part of the strike. The World Food Programme has announced the closure of all 25 kitchens it supports in Gaza due to severe shortages of flour and fuel, exacerbated by the ongoing Israeli blockade. In a post on the X platform, the UN agency stated that its remaining food supplies at Gaza's hot meal kitchens could last less than 2 weeks. The WFP also highlighted that each hot meal provides only 25% or less of an individual's daily nutritional needs. World Health Organization spokesperson Margaret Harris has revealed that 90% of pregnant and breastfeeding women in the Gaza Strip are suffering from severe malnutrition, with a lack of medical equipment hindering access to necessary treatment. Speaking on World Health Week, Harris stated that the health of mothers and children in Gaza has sharply deteriorated since the start of the Israeli war on October 7th of 2023. She emphasized that many women and children in Gaza are in urgent need of medical care. Gaza's healthcare system is on the verge of collapse as Israel continues its attacks and blocks the entry of vital humanitarian aid. The situation in Gaza's hospitals is rapidly deteriorating into a catastrophe. Al Ahli Baptist Hospital in Gaza City has become the main center for hundreds of injured Palestinians, with every part of the facility overwhelmed. As the number of wounded rises, hospitals are running critically low on essential medicines and supplies. Health officials warn that the ability to treat even the most urgent cases is quickly slipping away. Israeli opposition leader Benny Gantz has accused Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu of losing all restraints and doing anything to stay in government. Speaking at a convention organized by Israeli media, the head of the National Unity Party criticized Netanyahu's plan to overhaul Israel's judiciary, accusing him of trying to delegitimize the legal system for his personal gain. Gantz called on Netanyahu to take responsibility, stating that the Israeli public, from left to right, would not allow such a leader to remain in power in the upcoming elections.
המטרה שלנו היא 100% שליטה ביטחונית, 0% שליטה אזרחית. כדי שזה יקרה, גם העולם חייב להירתם. אפשרויות יכולות להיות על שולחן חוץ מאפשרויות.
In the United States, President Donald Trump has stated that the Federal Reserve should cut rates and defended his tariffs in a Truth Social post. In his post, Trump claimed that oil prices, interest and food prices were down. He also stated that there was no inflation. In 3 trading days following Trump's announcement of broad reciprocal tariffs on almost all countries, stock markets across the world have plummeted. Bonds have become both a haven and a bet on rate cuts by the Federal Reserve, turning on their head market assumptions before Trump took office.